Recently, scientists have seamlessly integrated brain-like tissues with electronics to create Brainoware. What is Brainoware? Brainoware is an organoid neural network capable of recognizing voices and solving complex mathematical problems. Now, what is this Brainoware? It is an innovative system. It extends neuromorphic computing to a new level by directly integrating brain tissue into a computer. Now, what is neuromorphic computing? This terminology we must know. Neuromorphic computing is a type of artificial intelligence. It uses specialized hardware and software algorithms to simulate neurons and synapses to process data more efficiently than traditional computers. Neuromorphic computing uses artificial neurons and synapses to process data in a similar way the human brain does. This neuromorphic computing relies on parallel processing, allowing multiple tasks to be handled simultaneously. Its adaptable nature ensures real-time learning and decision-making. The current neuromorphic computing market is majorly driven by increased demand for AI and brain chips to be used in cognitive and brain robots. So what is neuromorphic computing? It is a type of artificial intelligence. It uses specialized hardware and software algorithms to simulate neurons and synapses to process data more efficiently than traditional computers. Now what this Brainoware exactly is? How does it function? Brainoware is an innovative computing system that melts brain-like tissue with electronics. So it melts the brain-like tissue with electronics. You can see from the image here. This Brainoware integrates brain organoids with microelectrodes. It integrates the brain organoids with microelectrodes, forming a organoid neural network, ONN, that directly incorporates living brain tissue into the computing process. These brain organoids are 3D tissues. Brain organoids are 3D tissues that simulate the structure and function of human brain. The brain organoids are derived from human embryonic stem cells and are able to self-organize. Brain organoids are similar to brain cells composition and structure and can reflect brain's development process. These brain organoids are used as models to study human brain development and brain-related diseases. The organoid neural networks, or ONNs, are different from artificial neural networks, which are made of silicon chips, because they use biological neurons that can adapt and learn from their environment. Now, how does this operational mechanism, how does this operate? This has a three-layered architecture. There is an input, there is a reservoir, and there is an output. Input signal processing. Input signal in the form of electrical stimulation are processed through the organoid neural network. Reservoir. The reservoir, acting as a black box, converts the signals into mathematical entities that computer can efficiently process, eliminating the need for constant back and forth data transfer. Then output readout. The output layer, that is modified conventional computer hardware, interprets Brainoware's neural activity, providing a tangible results. Now, what are the advantages of traditional neuromorphic computing? Memory and processing separation. Traditional neural network face a challenge where memory units and data processing units are separate, leading to increased time and energy demands for complex problem solving. Previous attempts to improve efficiency involved neuromorphic chips with short-term memory. However, these chips could only partially mimic brain function and required further enhancement in processing capability and energy efficiency. Now, biological neural network integration. Brainoware utilizes a biological neural network comprising of live brain cells to address inefficiencies in traditional neuromorphic computing. Unlike AI hardware, Brain cells store memory and process data without physically separating the two, resulting in significantly lower energy consumption. Now, what is neuromorphic computing? We have seen neuromorphic computing is a type of artificial intelligence. It uses specialized hardware and software algorithms to simulate neurons and synapses to process data more efficiently than the traditional computing. Neuromorphic computing uses artificial neurons and synapses to process data in a similar way the human brain does. It relies on parallel processing, allowing multiple tasks to be handled simultaneously. Its adaptable nature enables real-time learning and decision-making. The current neuromorphic computing market is majorly driven by increasing demand for AI and brain chips to be used in cognitive and brain robots. Now, what is tissue engineering? Tissue engineering is biomedical engineering field that uses engineering and life sciences to create biological substitutes that can maintain, restore, or improve tissue function. The goal of tissue engineering is to assemble functional constructs that restore, maintain, or improve damaged tissues or whole organs.